bafowethu sila ngaphandle kwase-Eddington njengamanje eceleni kwami no-Sister P. Mama khamba kanjani?
Khamba kahle kakhulu.
Yeah.
Sithemba ukuthi asithembi kuzokwenzeka esifuna kwenzeke njengoba ngisasho ukuthi siwuZulu sinamandla anzima kakhulu. Ngeke sihlulwe into engakhulu siyakwazi ukuyimela sikhulumele. Angiboni bukhona ukuba kuzokwenzeka. Phela nje sibambisene sizoyilwela lento esiyifunayo sisaqhubeka siyaphambili asihlehli. Yabona njengoba befuna ukubona ufishi ugwiliza ngeke baze bawubona ufishi ugwiliza ufishi akwazi ugwiliza uyaphambili uyashosholoza uyashubeka
kodwa mhlawumbe isupport njengobala nje ukuthi ningabantu abakhulu kakhulu isupport uyayibona yini ukuthi iyanele yini ukuthi kusupport umsebenzi kanje
isupport ngiyayibona ikhona ukuthi abanye kusaqala nonyaka basazama impilo abanye basematohweni kodwa kahle ukube ama weekend ngabe sekucacile kodwa yona ikhona isupport nokuthi kokunye kuqala uJanuary abanye amasenta wavuma kahle kuyimali ukugibela uzelana abanye bakhala ngemali akekho ongafisa ukubala vele abanye banazi ngeenhliziyo
kunabantu engicabanga ukuthi bayinqwa abahlala la eDrobheni mhlawumbe niklasa lodwa kulabantu abahlala la
okunye ke angisho ukuthi ngiyabakhulumela khona uthi ngizosaba ukubonwa yilaba bokufika bangibona noma ngesitolo ngiyothenga athi umuntu usabela impilo yakhe kodwa ke thina amasosha ngempela asikakuthalele ukuthandwa nakuthenjwa sizoyiphusha nje sizoyiphusha ngoba ngisazohamba la ePoint ngenze ngiyifihle ngewifi ngizohamba ngayo ipoyi yami nje bangibona ukuthi nangu lo muntu okhulumayo naye olwela bona olwela thina ukuthi ingane zethu ayifuni njengoba ngisalo ngisho ukuthi uculwa yini ukufaka omahamba nendlwane ingane ingene ifunde njengoba ngisasho namanje bafo Hector Peterson beamakhawe belelwa imfundo njengoba ngisasho ukuthi kusuka ngo76 kwaphinde namanje kwazoba u85 sifuna imfundo yamahala siphoswa ngamatheya gas kodwa sikhona sisaphila siyeke indlela zethu ngoba siyakufuna lobu bulungiswa esikubongile ke naku kuthiwa noZulu wethu bani ingane kaQueensville ithini sekufikile nakuyena asithemba ukuthi kuzophusheka kuzoduduleka ubani umbuso wezulu asithembe mina ngiyabona inqobekela phambili manje esigadwe ngayo azizile ukuzolwa sizocela sizofuna sizokwenza konke kube yikhomba
njengoba kuzovotwa mhlawumbe ubungagqugqumezela uthini kuzwa kuma local government njengamanje ubungashiya nguphi lo myalezo kuba vote special
njengamanje angiboni singaphumelela kuvoti sophumelela kwivoti makwenzeke lento esifunayo akwenze kubulungiswa manje bangasithandi ngoba sekuzovotwa njengami nje mina ngisuka nginqalabutho longavota ngo94 ngohulumeni wangempela ngiqala ngawuvota 94 ngase ngivota basithembisa izinto eziningi ngoba siphilanga mangabe ukuthi siyavota mangabe kunje kodwa iMK singayimela iMK yaphusha khathalele ethanda nakuthenjwa kuzocaca kukhona umehluko engiwubonayo ngeMK kodwa ke kahle nathi asibanyakazisi sikhombisa amandla ethu singavoti nathi ngakenzeke esicelayo bangasithandi basithembisa izinto ngoba sekuzovota kurongi kakhulu lokho sichitha ikhathi zethu sima olayini abade kushisa ilanga kodwa imiphumela singayiboni ake senzele ubuntu sama South African njengalento isamhlungu namanje ukuthi kuboshwe uXolani Khumalo eboshelwa ukuthi ucacise ngama drugs umuntu okufika which is totally wrong kusanzima kakhulu angiyiboni isovota angathi sovele siyibukela ama TV sivotele yona imoja love le elwa nama drugs unomsebenzi onzima kabi amaphoyisa ambopha kanjani elwela ama drugs elizwe linjeni ama drugs angithi amaphoyisa ambopha kanjani ebewalekelela ngomsebenzi wawo hayi angiboni khamba kahle
Hayi siyabonga kakhulu mama.
Bonke kakhulu. Asiqhubeka
Bafowethu silaye ngaphandle kwase Ellington njengamanje primary school njengamanje icela kwami ngikhuluma ke nomunye abalandeli bafowethu abazobhikisha la qhawe lami khamba njani
Ngiyaphila qhawe njani
ubani wakabawusuka kunindawo
ngisuke ePetersville wanyoswa u00 lo uDumi isibongo
namhlanje mfowethu isiphi izathu esikwenze wabala
into edathi ngibe la namhlanje futhi sekuyinsuku sigqiqa izingane zabantu bale South Africa ziyanqatshela ukuthola ikhaya la ngaphakathi kugcwele izingane zama foreign amakwerekwere ezethu ingane ziyaxoshwa kuthiwa kugcwele esikoleni kuthiwa zizozanyelwa kwezinye izikolo A no B no C izikolo esingazazi zikuphi kodwa zihlala la
so manje kumele kwenziwe njani kahle kahle ngokwakho
cha into ebalekile ngoba phela sekugcwele zamakwerekwere akhishwe zamakwerekwere aphuma ikwerekwere engena umuntu ilo sikudingayo ngoba phela kuthiwa zizanyelwa ezinye izikhala nje kwezinye izikole kodwa indawo ye-transport abazali basebenzi yabo izikole zikude abantu abasebenzi eduze kwesikole ngeke ashiye isikole esangakubo ayofunda kude labantu abanye balethwa lana emva kwekhukhula indawo yokuhlala bengasenayo balethwa la mase belana isikole fa basebenzise setshenziswa abakwerekwere
yakona nje ulindele mapha amazwi njengoba isengenelele ngisho inkosi isilo uMesuzulu kaZwelithini imaphi amazwi walindele ukuthi mhlawumbe awasho ewabhekise mhlawumbe kuzona izinto ezifana nezabantu bokufika bangenamaphepha nabanye abenza izinto ezithize ezibhedayo
no isilo uma ukuthi si behind abantu abamnyama noma isizwe sakaZulu fa sithi ayigubhe
kanjani khuluma qhawe izulu isiqonde
inkankana lidla umnyundo wangakubo amakwerekwere awugodwa abuyele emazweni awo ilo sikudinga
inkulumo ilindele
ilo sikulindele
so qhawela ke mhlawumbe ukuvota abantu kumele benze njani njengoba kuqala ama local government kumele benze njani mhlawumbe nje into ongabaqhuqhumezela ngayo ukuthi bavote kanjani
no ukuvota kubalekile bakhona abathi ngeke basavote kodwa lokho kuyabalimaza isizwe futhi umuntu nomuntu ufanele avote alifake ivoti lakhe kodwa ubheka ungabisavotela labantu labo kuyibona abathengisi kunabantu okuyibona abasithengisile inhlangano yodwa nje u-ANC sikule simo nje through u-ANC okuyona bese uthwele ngeqoma all along kodwa manje usuphelele ngaphandle kusakwakhela abantu ama-toilet akukho kusile u-ANC wenzayo
iyiphi mhlawumbe nokunye mfethu okubheda mhlawumbe njengoba uchaza nje mfethu mhlawumbe njengoba usho ukuthi wena umvoti omdala waye ANC yabo ikuphi nje wena usubona ukuthi mhlawumbe sekushintshile mhlawumbe kumele bekulungise
ayi ngiyakuningi kakhulu qhawe yabo mina ngumuntu oyisebenzayo since ngiyisebenza kufanele ngikhokhe mina i-tax abantu bafika banamabhizinisi wabona basebenza njengathi yabo kodwa abakhokhi intela abakhokhi i-tax lokho ufuna ngabe uyakubheka uhulumeni akakubheki kodwa isikole lesi i-public school okusho ukuthi isikole sahulumeni lezingane zamakwerekwere azikhokhi ngena mahhala ifunda mahhala izinto efana ngabe uhulumeni zonke lezo ayilungisa
qhawe lami siyabonga kakhulu qhawe yeso
ngiyabonga qhawe
amen ngicela uchaze nje mama mhlawumbe ngokwenzakalayo lapho nokuthi mhlawumbe uzuphume nawe
ngize ngiphume nami awukade sihamba
nje mntwana uzufike la ngoba uhleli uyilwela izinto especially uma kuhlukunyezwa umuntu omnyama uhleli ukulwela izinto ezikanjalo so nje mhlawumbe uchaza nje kabanzi mhlawumbe nawe ukuthi mhlawumbe uzuvakashele la kanjalo
okay angibingelele kubalandeli bakho insizwa zoso isimo mina kakhulu abangithinta kakhulu basithinta bonke abantu mawukhuluma abantu ngabahlali bala eMzansi but abakhulu kakhulu ilaba bekade bama flood victims because as early as June last year actually ngo May kuthiwa ngikhoze chaos lapha eICC because sahamba nabo uyakhumbula sahamba nabo ngoba ingane zabo kuthiwa ziyagcina ngoJune esikoleni and West bebevele sebeyikhokhela bona financially beyi-manager because basuka ngomlazi ngo-2022 baqale bahlala ko-Royal Hotel nakwezinye indawo then excuse me, human settlement nama landlords alama flats ababekwe kuona including la nje ziyawalka le ingane ezifika la zizofuna indawo so babe sebetshela ukuthi zikoleto 6900 ingane i-transport ayisekho amabhasi aka education then kufanele bayikhokhele abanye bebe applyile abanye beza early last year bebevele bekhona be-applyile bengasitholi isikole but i-problem ithi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi abantu abawu 99.9% yabona ingane soyilinda sizoyibala soyenza i-head count kanye nabo because i-list oyinikwa u-Department of Education bethi ingane ezila ngaphakathi ezangaphandle abangekho documented noma besho isibalo obona singadluli ngisho 20 ngokwabo but sizoyibala it doesn't matter ukuthi njengamanje isimo sithi baya afford abazali noma ba afford because ngiya afford transport ethayo Greyville so bangenile basifukela vele ke bona i-department yaphuma la ngaphakathi ingane beyiqhama befama uniform akekho umzali ongazi ukuthi uma ihambisa ingane esikoleni esinye igqoka i-uniform yala evela khona uzothi umphathi we-department lezi ingane ayihambi masimbuza ihambelana ingane athi simo sala ivuma ukuthi sibe ingane nizolwa ngeingane zizolimala lezi ingane uma uzoyilimala makwenze njani lezi ingane ibhalisiwe la athi akuzona ezala lezi ingane athi unelist ngithi khipha ilist yokhuluma ngako ukuze sibone ingane so bagcineke beyibafaka ngaphakathi abazali mabephuma bakhishwe ngale ngemuva nje basimile nefana abantu abamele lutho mabekhishwa ngemuva zu6 ingane ezithathwe la bathe ezinye sebeyiplace lokho Greyville ko Overport umbuzo uthi ingane efunda ugrade R yomzali olethwa ama-flats la njoba bekhona behleli la akasebenzi usebenzisa igrant ugrade R uye Greyville nomalume kanjani ebekhona ihleli la uma bethi isikole sigcwele obani kushuthi kuzofanele kuphume yabo si replace ngeyethu noma soyikhipha ngawanja kuphuthuma abakhiphe yabo si replace yethu ngoba kushuthi yabo ngoba nothisha kuthiwa bokhamba kwabona abanye babo so silindileke mina ke eyakithi ingane yafunda khona la eGreyville bekusakhona abelungu baye baphuma nje basekhona laba abangaphandle shothi thina sizolokhu sinabantu foreigners athi take over our benefits for that matter if kuthi bafuna akakho baxoshile abahambe bayofuna kuma ezikoleni aba-affordwayo not the government schools because ugovernment usebenzela lo mphakathi well akuhlangene amaqembu epolitiki la politically kodwa bazolwela umphakathi ngokuhlwana kwabo zowabona bekhona ubaba uSibongo Sendlomo la owe-ANC bakhona be-MK bakhona nabanye ngiyabona odudula nabayohlukana kwabo but okwendlunkulu irresponsibility yayo kuqala any citizen in the country irresponsibility yayo okwesibili who comes first it's our natives if uthina sihluleke ukuthi silwele khona niyasazi size saboshwa la namasosha over 403 by the very same police station bekhipha ogogo lapha ingane yayifunda umatric yabhala emgwaqeni ugogo owala unetayitela la human settlement lokuhlala kule RDP flat or house ebebehleli kuyona but yaphuma yabhala emgwaqeni ezinye beyifunda la ziphumile zigcina ingasafundi but isimo esibhekene naso egcineni babuzoso esokuthi uma singayikhulumisi manje futhi sizobe sihlulekile as abanikazi bomhlaba number 2 siyesandlwana kusasa nakhona impi yasesandlwane ivuke emva ukuthi siluqetshwayo bengavumelananga with the British ibutho ke leli elaliholwa umntwana uDabula Manzi wesilumpande abagcina benqoba impi yasesandlwane kwakufana nalesi simo okungenza kube inyandezulu khona ispirit esisivusayo ezisibheke kulesi simo we are going there and abantu they are looking forward to hearing ispeech sengonyama ukuthi sizothini regarding lesi simo because uZulu ulalela ukuthi uholwa uthiwani though abanye bebenama reservations because at some point ingonyama ekhotheme ya kwaze kwasuka impi intatheli zimisquote ingonyama bathi ingonyama ithababula abantu bokufika kwaba isibhicongo into ongakazi uzuyibone we had to go to abomalawi nakwezinye indawo solungisa leso simo but any into people what they don't understand we are not saying abantu abahambe we are saying those who are here illegally abahambe because thina kwathina ugovernment usehluleka ukumanage abantu izikole ingane azidli but last test fika kwabe ngene i-foundation elethu ukudla shuthi bona abantu abaspecial abakwazi ukubafida ingane zabo but ezethu azidli ingane Number 2, uma sikhuluma ngokuthi abantu aba-illegal, remember the country sign ama-bilaterals with other countries. Ezindlu nkulu kuzoba uFebruary iye emkhosini waseChipata ngaphansi kwenkosi uMphezeni. Ama-natives, abantu bakaZulu laba abafudwa ngesikhathi selembe. But sinobudlelwane, ngeke sithi siyabaxosha. Kuphela 1 bayaganga njengoba bela. Okwesibili labo njengoba bekhona ba-illegal. So if there are bilaterals that we have signed with other countries, what we are saying, laba abasemthethweni kulungile but akucaci ukuthi benzani. Asibe nawo ama-record akhuluma ngabo. Of which we need Home Affairs awuze la uzosiqinisekisela ukuthi laba abantu abathi bona ba-documented, they are documented. But that is not an issue. Moreover, you cannot have 90% wabantu bokufika and have 10% wabantu bala kodwa kuyisikole sethu la sikhuluma khona. So mina ngokwami ngithi ayasibalinde ngoba sebesenzile mama bengane sebephumile bakhishwe ngemuva nampa bakhona. So vele decide they are just managing the situation, sizokhathala sizohamba. But let's regroup, sizobalinda siyibale lezi ingane because basikhohlisa. Zizophuma abazali bazoyithathela bona ingane zabo. Bazoyihambisela bona, but we need to replace lezi ingane ngezethu ingane. We cannot have lama foreigners ekuphekwagazi lengane zethu. Okuwesi ke laba abantu bazothi kuthina lezi ingane lezi akufanele ngabe zila. Ubani kufanele ngabula. And uze uyakhuluma lo mama ufake icoat epink ubathi we department bayasho uthi lo mama ingane lezi ezikhona oqala ingane zenu ifunda ema private school sifuna ukwazi yena, we want to profile bona because abantu bakithi laba basigibeza ngaphansi abantu bokuhamba ngaphandle. I asked uDokotela Sponsor Ndlomo ukuthi sikhuluma ngalama victims lawo, but bona as a government we really need to understand what is khona lento esingayazi ngohulumeni wethu angasitshela mhlambe silwa vele impela singeke size sinqobe. Asiphiki ukuthi abantu bebekade behlele emazweni angaphandle nabanye bagcine bezalwa khona emazweni angaphandle but bebenama refugee camps. But thina why kuzoba kayiphethe kungasasho kaNongoma kaMachanca kaMpunzedlemini, why kuzofanele ba-agitate ispirit somuntu omnyama even nala kungafaneleke khona. Kufanele basicacise kungenze kube impi yalaba bebalela imhlophe ibicaca ukuthi there is impi ekhona phakathi kwethu nabo. Hence why we are seeing people abebala lethu beflood our spaces, we seeing them emaspaza shops kubulawa abantu bakithi khona ingane zesikole emalokishini la sihlala khona ba illegal. They own even each and every corner ojikela kulona, but njoba sikhona one isupport yesizofana sibe nayo confidence. They've seen imsebenzi esiyenzayo wherever la siyenza khona sikale khona la point siboshwe yiwo lamaphoyisa over 600 sihamba namasosha kuphela, but ifuna ukubazisa ukuthi ayisikhona ngebhadi now kudleka imali ye-state because we had to claim because it was an illegal unlawful arrest. I mean, so ekugcineni bafike balwe kanje babophe babulale because at some point the very same maphoyisa abulala amasosha elwela amalungelo awo. So iSouth Africa siphila kuyona, it's a good thing ukuthi sibheke ma-elections la kuzofanele before ungene kithi hayi khohlwa ngane yakwethu uma ungezokulungisa asakhulumi ngama-manifesto izethembise ngezenzeke zozo. Asikhulume ngokuthi wena siyakwazi ukhulelela uhlulwe ukwenzani njengamanje. So banethuba yabo between now and November. No. Lama food parcel kwawona thathwa kulama Pakistan illegal abasinqumayo njengamanje ekwenziwa ko back house lezo zinto. Asafune kwakudla kwabo bazosibulala ikhona izinto asifikele nazo ukuze singagcini sithenga ukudla okurong.
Kodwa ke in terms of njengoba kusasa kulindele inkulumo yesilimo isiZulu kaZolithini, mhlawumbe ikuphi mhlawumbe wena ukulindele njengomntwana mhlawumbe kokuya phambili nje mhlawumbe ukulisana nayo yonke lento?
Mina okokuqala ngizoqala from inkulumo yengonyama ya last time. Abantu ngagcina ngifonelwa ama-Ethiopians banama associations, Pakistans here in South Africa banama associations amakhulu numbers. They were saying we are prepared to hire Moses Mabhida or FNB Stadium so that isilo sizo addressa because isilo sithe asize kusona. But you are saying those abasemthethweni abaze kusona so that they get proper licenses okwenza imsebenzi, but not ukuthi besithi silo sivuna izinto illegal ezenziwa labo bantu. So abantu they are looking forward to ukuthi basizwe speech saso sikwazi ukulungisa isimo because balindizwe uma kuthiwa isukile bona asidingi ukuthi kuze kuliwe. but the government should do his part. Remember, KZN, the first government is Isilo. That's why Parliament livulwa ngonyama kuqala. If he declares the state of emergency, the government has to respond to that state of emergency. Or else we need to change those ministers, we need to change those MECs because we are talking about the province. Government ushapwa ilozulu okhona. So if we are seeing uwawona uhulumeni wenza opposite esikufunayo, then it should we are doomed as the country.
Yes, kodwa mntwana ngeke ngisawushiya mntwana lombuzo lona ngoba kade ngithi impela ngiyifisa ukuthola ingwevu engakwazi ukuthi ichazele abantu ngoba abantu kunabantu nje abangangathi nabanye abancane abangayazi i-role edlalwa mhlambe amakhosi esiwakhele mhlawumbe amakhosi akhelwa abantu mhlawumbe nje ukudlulisa nje mhlawumbe inakhuyana umdlalo nje odlalwa inkosi endaweni.
Okay, qala nje sikulesi simo esikusona because izinduna zikwaze ukubeka ama foreigners emhlabeni wasendlunkulu. Okokuqala nje you don't give umhlaba mangabe ukhona usuke uwalaba sebakhile. Ngesikhathi ukhula zoso uba indoda ufuna ukuphuma inxiwa fanele abazali bakhiphele emhlabeni obukade nakhele kuwona nanikwa nina njengesizwe. So ngesikhathi wena unika a foreigner umhlaba lapho uthi ingane kazoso izophuma ihlaleni. We understand kuqala lapho ukuthi amakhosi ane role neinduna zawo but sinenkinga la ukhokta usukwazi ukuphamisa induna ngaphezulu kwamakhosi because ukhokta uzela ukuthi ube i-counterfeit ka-government laba abantu asebehola one the side saying umhlaba amakhosi akwazi uzuthengisa there is ikhonza fee nayo futhi amakhosi angayazi because ibheka kakhokta we understand that's why ingonyama 2019 yathi iqinisa ku-traditional policing ngamasosha mawukhumbula ibutho lokugcina lika alibutha kwawamasosha aqedwa athi abayogeza ekhalo emphefumulo ngoba bekufika la amakhosi threatened khona whenever they need to make ama judgments because inkantolo enkulu kaZulu eyakaZulu amakhosi they are able to govern endaweni zawo but iproblem iqala la when government ezothi mangabe kune dispute kufike kube uyena ogxoba inkosi ngaphezulu kwalokho kube uyena oqhatha induna afika khipha induna ebekwe inkosi abeka induna efuna uyena there are so many cases esinawadila nalokho as a where's amakhosi fanele ithi khuluma ibibheka ukuthi u19000 shothi ngeke uthole because istipend ngisithola kumfundisi uthula sizwe ukhokta we understand but the role edlalwa amakhosi is huge that's why we are making sure njengamanje ukuthi siqinisa ku security ukuze inkosi ikwazi ukwenza i-decision efanelekile futhi uma ngabe inkantolo yenkosi ihluleka ikhona phela inkantolo enkulu endlunkulu abantu bavumelekile ukuthi balilethe udaba endlunkulu ukuze bakwazi ukulekelela amafayile amakhosi wonke asendlunkulu that's why mangafikanga inkosi yoselwa iyazi inkosi engasiyo yoselwa endlunkulu that's why ukhokta mayilethe inkosi efuna uyena indlunkulu iyakwazi ukuthi nga dispute committee ihambe yongenelela kudaba njengalelo but iproblem ukuthi laba abantu abanama position who are recognized as government as councillors as MECs as premiers as presidents ibona abagcina kune access ke makhuluma umasipala weTheku here amasosha bakhipha ama foreigners just 5 years ago workshop nje kudayisa abantu bakithi la South Africa but umasipala wala eSouth Africa waseThekwini uhluleka ukunika abantu baku Victoria Street basemarket base workshop ama permits but bebebanikile abokhamba every month kunabantu abagwaza ngo-6000 abakithi abanama permits from time to time they'll be threatened befuna ukususa size sayilwa impi yalapha sabeka amasosha kunamasosha as ama committees ne security yalapha shothi amaphoyisa because le blue uniform our people they are forgetting already we are in government as isizwe simnyama but ibona imentality ye-uniform abayifakile ngabe yajele eyephoyisa eyabani kubo basalwa nabantu bakubaba mnyama so lokho kusibuyisele emuva noma sithi siyalisebenza udaba but it's taking shape kancane that's why indlunkulu iyasondeza nabantu abaziwa beyinsizwe ethenjwayo noma engabe abantu bathi record likamancinza lithini amadela ngokubona abe nayo impact but they need to do it right because what they've been doing ilokho kufanele ngabe kwenziwa ngamakhosi but because babona kulahlile and they know ukuthi isizwe they are entitled to 30% as a result they decided ukubayiyele bona ukuze kwenzeke so uma usulande labo bantu okwabanikazi belezo zinto walandwa bona osomatekisi ibona abanquma abantu njengoba kuvulwa ikolo somatekisi babanga transport nomalume we understand and leyo nto leyo isuke ngeke isifikise ndawo so ukubuyela embuzweni wakho ukuthi amakhosi anayiphi role, we need to beef up our security first. Ngizokuxoxela into eyasishoka thina abaphansi kwamabridge la emakethe ubhekele la ekhamba khona uPrasa kunama Tanzanians. Wonke lo mhume loyo obekade ukuthi makunempi uza kwibase yala olwandle uya kwibase eGreyville uya kuma base that side nako New Germany nama base ko leli hostel oWema zonke lezo indawo leyo mhume leyo ihlela ama Tanzanians ama merchandisers alezi izinto abawadlisha ukwadla lama drugs ikhale ezilapha yana abantu bathatha ingane zethu zathathwa izoreachwa phansi kwama bridge. uPrasa is working there une security there but they are not doing anything about it. Uma ngabe sithi siyongena khona bona bakhipha lezi ingane zethu esiyibiza ezama clients wabo. Umbuzo uthi laba abantu banama camera lapha ngasemgwaqeni mawungase ngase Albert Park but asukenzani ezumasipala weTheku ezamaphoyisa khona. So ikhona indlela ngayo that they are killing us, that are keeping us busy ngesikhathi befaka bokhamba nabo mhlambe bayobakhumbuza. And what we discovered ukuthi kunabantu abamanage ngebudget yethu la ngaphakathi abadli medication abamasosha abavela kwamanye amazwe aba illegal here in South Africa but bangena emabhasini ethu they are treated special by government for what they know bona ukuthi engabe kunempi ezofika nini makwenzakaleni but thina they are threatened mangabe indlunkulu ithuka ihlanganisa amasosha noma kwenzakalani. But they are forgetting ukuthi abantu bakithi laba abantu bethu it's our security. So isimo esibhekene naso nje sesidinga ukuthi abaziyo basihabulisa into ekuyiyona ukuze isizwe sazi ukuthi sibhekene nayo iphimbo. Siyathokoza kakhulu.
Into efunakalayo la angizoyiqala ekuqaleni ngizoyikha nje lapha nalapha sihlushwa amabhunu la eLwin Court nakwamanye kama flat engeke ngisakwazi ukuwabala kodwa eLwin Court iyona ehamba phambili ngoba labelungu babambelele kuthina angazi ukuthi ngoba nakho iflat lethu ngasolwandle bayasikhipha endlini kumanje nje khona intombazane owabhalele emgwaqweni umatric wakhe ngoba bekhiphe abazali bakhe endlini naye washo ukuthi isikhathi sokubhala wabhala kodwa ngenhlanhla kaNkulunkulu waphansi. Kodwa sisaqhubeka balokhu besithumelela amasamanisi labo noma inkantolo isibavalile ukuthi bangasithumelela amasamanisi asilinde incwadi ezizovela kubona ezishoyo ukuthi banegunya lokuthi baphathe eLwin Court. Thina sithi abanalo igunya lokuphatha eLwin Court ngoba ithina abanikazi ithina kufanele sikhethe ukuthi siyabadinga laba ukuthi bazosiza asibadingi lapha. Manje bona balokhu beyibuyisela ingoba benebala thina simnyama balokhu beyibuyisela lokhu beyibuyisela kumanje basakhumba ukuthi bona balapha ya elokhuzene eLwin Court baphethe thina ke sithi asiphethwe yibona. Kumanje ngikhuluma nawe nje kunamaphepha abawathumelile ukuthi mina kufanele ngiye enkantolo ekubeni before kuphela unyaka ngoNovember bathumela amaphepha ngawahamba ngayo enkantolo. Mangifika enkantolo abekho bona abasafikanga sengizula ngedwa ngabe ngifuna inkantolo mase ngiya lapha kwa register bathi khona ma hamba ohlala phansi ngoba abafikanga ufike wedwa. Baphinde bathumela the very same papers. Manje futhi ngilinde ukuthi ngiwahambise ngomhla ka26 ngiphinde enkantolo mina ukuthi ngiyakwenzani I don't know. Siyaqala ukuthi ugovernment noma ke ubani njengoba inhlangano sinazo la zinhlangano zomama uNdlunkulu iyona esisizayo kakhulu umntwana uyasiza uyasilekelela nokube lolu daba lethu selehambe loze lwafika kuleli zingo lukulona ingenxa yomntwana. Siyaqala ukuthi umntwana uNkulunkulu amupha amandla kuqhubeke nani nibabambise bantu bami. Siyaqala ukuthi asilungise lezi abafawenu nodadewenu laba bazosala lapha thina sesihambile bese bekhishelwe eminyango ngoba balinde nje ukuthi makukhona oshonayo umzali bayayikhipha ingane kumanje khona bakhishiwe. Angazi ukuthi kufanele senze njani kodwa siyacela ukuthi akube khona ubulungiswa ngalento. Amabhunu sophathwa amabhunu kuze kube yini? Hayi ngeke sekwenele manje lamabhunu kufuneka ahambe nakulesimo esikusona la enethunga ngane yami ayisengeli phansi. Lezi ingane akufuneki lezi ingane ziswele indawo yokufunda ngenxa yokuthi kukhona izingane zakwezinye indawo okufanele zona ithola amathuba okufunda la. Thina izingane zethu fanele gibele kabili kathathu ziyofunda kwezinye indawo. Ngeke awukwazi ukushiya isikole eduze kwakho bese uyahamba uyofunda kwenye indawo. Iloko siyakulwela ke lokho amalungelo ethu sizowalwela kuze kube sekugcineni. Sewalwela amalungelo ethu lawo.
Gogo iyiphi inkosi mhlambe owawukhona ibusa lelizwe? Isilo mhlambe owawukhona.
Ngisakhumbula ngoba phela ubalo uMdlokombane ungene ngaphambi kwenkosi engangiyazi. Kusho ukuthi ngalezo izikhathi nathi sasifundela izikole singanakile kakhulu izinto. Kodwa nje ngaphambi kaMdlokombane ikhona le nkosi eyayibusa ngaphambi kwakhe le eyayibambele yena uMdlokombane ukuthi ke usengasithatha isikhundla. Ngase ngikhona ke lapho sengikwazi ukulandela izinto kancane.
Siyabonga gogo yeso.
Ngiyabonga.
Uzonqoba gogo.
Hayi sanqoba. Mase savuka nje kusena uNkulunkulu esasivusa. Sihambe emgwaqweni. Ngoba nje abanginyakaza nje. Hayi suka ngiyayizwa lento ngithi mangithi. Ngithi ukuthi hayi ngiyahamba ngiyaphambili.
Ayikhale gogo.
Ayikhale. Siyabonga ngane yami.
So namhlanje kwenzakala namhlanje la.
Namhlanje bekuthiwa sibuye sizozwa ukuthi isikole esithini ne-department ithini mayelana nodaba lalabantwana abanganaso isikole sokufunda. Mabesho bathi sebebafake bonke abantwana la ngaphakathi. Kodwa-ke ngicabanga ukuthi nawe izwela abazali bathi into engekho leyo. Manje siyabona ukuthi kudlalwa ama-games la sazi-ke ngoba kudlalwa ngempilo yey'ngane zase-South Africa. So sizokhalaza soqhubeka zona iy'khalazo ukuthi yini engaka ngabantwana bokufika eyenza ukuthi bangafuni ukuba-compromise. Ngoba isikole sabo lesi mebethi sigcwele ubani uma ukuthi sithi thina abafaka iy'ngane zase-South Africa bethi ngeke bakwazi. Kulungile-ke bathi akusona sodwa isikole babafaka ey'koleni ey'kude kunala ko-Greyville nako-Overport. Ababanika imali phela yokuthi iy'ngane y'kwazi ukutravel ngoba abazali bayasho ukuthi ezinye iy'ngane vele sifuna ukuyikhipha khona e-Overport silethe ngala ngoba imali asi-afford. Enye yomzali angimazi noma ukhona yini la kodwa uyasho ukuthi ingane yakhe ifeyilile ngisho esikoleni ngoba ilove iy'nsuku eziwu-53 mangaphosisi. Ilove isho ukuthi akanayo imali yokuthi ayilethe la. Manje iphutha lakhe yini ukuthi wakhishwa ngey'khukhula walethwa la? Cabanga ukhishwa ngey'khukhula uzolethwa la. Mase ulethwe la ususenkingeni futhi uyoku uhulumeni usuthi yibonele uyiphantele. Yayezo into engishoyo. Ngoba bayasho ukuthi baqale banika i-transport ekuqaleni. Wathi esuka uhulumeni wathi hayi useyayeka. Uyeka kanjani ungayisolve i-problem? Yabo. So silapho-ke namhlanje sithi-ke sifuna ukuzwa ukuthi ithini isolution yangempela ezosebenzeka hayi ukuthi kulokhu kuthiwa ingane sebeyiphosele kude.
So umbonile ngathi khona no-department engathi ufikile la mhlawumbe no-minister noma former minister oke wafika ekuseni mhlawumbe wadlulisile noma ukhansela mhlawumbe uke wazama nokukhuluma mhlawumbe nawo.
Simfica ngasekho kodwa i-department basifice sikhona la bangena ngaphakathi-ke bathi bayohlangana nabazali. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi ube into abayenzayo inobulungiswa neqiniso bebengeke bakhipha abazali le ngemuva abazali bey'ngane babalekise abazali ngoba abazali beyahamba ney'ngane. Abafuni-ke abazali babonakale ney'ngane la lezi enganazo isikole bayabaphuthumisa baqale bayisusa iy'ngane la bathathisa abazali ukuthi bayaphi ney'ngane bafuna ukubabukanisa nomhlaba. Bayithatha iy'ngane bayipurukutshisa la ngaphakathi base beyingenile sebeqeda i-meeting sebekhipha ngegate leli lapha ngemuva ngaseShaka Marine. Bathi-ke angazi bathi bafikela bani iy'ngane ngoba iy'ngane lesi sikhuluma ngazo bezikhona la ekuseni yabo. Shuthi babona ukuthi abafuni ukuhlambalazeka intatheli ngoba bafuna ngazo ngakhuluma ngento engabonakala emphakathini yabo kube ingane zabantu bokufika ngabe zila zimisiwe la lokho idabukisa makuyilezi ezethi ayidinga isikole bayibhurukutisele bayifihla ngale ukuze isitori sabo singabonakala ngazo isitori sangempela. So ayikho nje into enziwa kuleli lizwe liyakhathaza nje leli lizwe.
So ngibone mama ukuthi engathi uphinde wavula futhi ngisho icala uvulela omunye wabokufika ukuthi mhlambe uya ku technician kanjani.
ya ukhona kwenza abaqali
Richard.
abaqali bahlezi bekwenza lona kodwa wenza ngisho nevideo kutshengisa khona ukuthi umthetho wala South Africa bawuhloniphi kangakanani basibona nje shuthi sewopopayi bokudlalela and bathembe wona amaphoyisa nokuthi babone ngathi umthetho uvuna bona so sizobona ukuthi kuzophelela lapho so malapho nje sobona
Kodwa ke in terms of ngoba isilo misuzulu kaZolithini sesivelile ukuthi siyayibona mhlambe ulokho kwenzakalayo sizokwazi izingenelele kusasa sikwazi mhlambe sikhulume ngayo lento mhlambe yipi inkulumo mhlambe noma oyilindele mhlambe ukuthi ingashiwe mhlambe inkosi
ngilindele ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi abanye balindele ukuthi uzothi mhlambe ayikhale okuyinto engazi kahle ukuthi akekho umholi ekuzothiwa uvumelekile ukuthi ayisho leyo nto kodwa mina ngilindele ukuthi angasho ukuthi asiyidefend ukuyidefend akufani nokuthi ayikhali ngoba uyidefenda phela ngithi mabeqhubeka belokhu besihlokoloza bethi bazosishaya besenza lezi zinto kumele siyidefend ayikho into esizoyenza kodwa phekwa lokho lento yokuthi balokhu besithuka belokhu besidelela I think njengozulu kumele siqondise yabo phekwa lokho ukuthi khona indawo enje ekwaziwayo nje ukuthi kuhlala ama Nigerian asepoint adayisa ama drugs azositshela thina ezweni lethu ngokukhulu ukudelela futhi yabo izinto abayifunayo bangayifuni ezweni lethu enye futhi eyinkinga esinazo lezo so ngiyacela nje ukuthi engakujabulela kakhulu ukuthi isilo sichaze ukuthi baye ukusifaka umuntu esweni ngoba akho xenophobia leba lokho bekhala ngayo mhla kuthiwa sesikhathele lokho sihlokolozo kuzobe inkinga yeah
siyabonga kakhulu siswami wami Kusayithela umusa
umemani nestezi
Za
umemani nestezi
besikhululeka
zokuphathela izitshe right zakhe robots yawazi robots
laba khongi shishimza bami
Angizokulethela ngimeme mfethu ngizokuphathela
pheze ngeke kumele ngathi
Kuleka ubala ngizokufaka ey'ntweni hayi le kudla lele platini eliyithini leli lakhiwe enenkomishi lesakhala ngizokufaka ey'ntweni oCarol Boys kanje lo Crescent
angiyazi nje lo yazi ngathi ubiza igama lomuntu
Because I don't understand why the ANC has got to poke in their noses because it's their fault that this is happening. Why are they not putting our South African children first? According to the Constitution, it says when you are a South African citizen, your child gets first preference, and then if there's space available, then a foreign national can be placed in the school. It doesn't happen like this. So my question is going to go to this school and to whomever in the GNU. Why don't you change the school's name to Addington Foreign National Primary School, because there's more foreign nationals in the school than anything else? And why should our children go to Greyville? Why don't you take the foreign nationals and take them and move them to Greyville and give our children the space here?
Maybe someone can ask that how you identified the children that because you call them maybe there are a lot of foreigners inside here, you see.
The thing is, they are so unlawlessness. They are unlawfully, they're giving us the incorrect information. This morning the ANC member was standing here saying that everything is under control. Does this look for you as it is under control? No, it's not. Don't tell me that we are dividing people because we are not. We are standing up for our rights. When we go to Zimbabwe or to Nigeria or wherever, our children have to wait so their children can be placed first. So I'm not happy what is going on here. I'm really not happy. My question also is, why is the Minister of Education, why is she not here? She's fully aware of what is going on here. But yet they want to come out and say that there's space for 6 children. Giving us information that there's 600 foreign nationals in here and they are all documented, but yet there's 900. Don't talk nonsense.
Maybe in terms of the support that's supposed to be, you see, it's enough for you, for your opinion.
No, we need more support. We definitely need more support, and we need more South Africans that is here legally to stand up and rise and fight this, because this is unethical that is going on here. Our children must go to private schools for what? Because these people are using our resources. We are paying tax. They get confused. They think they pay tax, but they only pay VAT. We all pay VAT. They mustn't come with their stories. It's just nonsense what is going on here. Really.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Kodwa bafundile ngeke igama lami uSipho Ntombela njengamanje sila ngaphandle kwesikole samabanga aphansi eDimthini Primary School njengamanje ecela wami nginokho operation Dudula asuka eGoli njengomboni la mawami ngapha
hayi no kuyaphileka kodwa nje asiphili ngoba lokho sikuzele la hayibo sike sadeleleka sumzansi asikwazi ukudelela ama-foreigner kangaka ezweni lethu ngiyamangala namhlanje angibaboni I was hoping ukuthi mangifika la sizobathola bekhona njengoba bebenomlomo omkhulu lokhuya namhlanje sifikile abekho akwazeka ilizwe lethu leyo.
So nje mawami usuchaza nje yonke into ngoba usuka kude kakhulu mawami mhlawumbe nje ukutheleya kwakho la eKZN la eThekwini mhlawumbe nje ubungakuvezela ngasiphi isithombe.
So size la namhlanje for especially to support iMarch and March nabazali babantwana abantwana bangatholanga isikole kodwa ke njengoba umzansi usuyazi ukuthi Operation Dudula inhlangano siyi-political party khona manje ethi we want to put South Africans first. Abantu basemzansi beza kuqala imisebenzi iy'kole yonke into township economy yonke sifuna ezandleni zabantu abala emzansi asizorulwa ama-foreigner ezweni lethu and we're here to support but more than anything sifuna abantwana bafakwe kulesi sikole because lesi sikole sinabantwana abaningi abama-foreigner mina sikubonile lokho last week abazali babo bebegcwele khona la namhlanje kunomama ohlala khona la ekhoneni othi kuthiwe isikole sigcwele obani abantwana abagcwelela kule sikole mangabe abantwana bethu thina babekho la ahlala khona la ekhoneni so kuzomele bakucacise i-department khona manje ithi more than 900 yabantwana abala kule sikole ama-South Africans because isikole sinabantwana abayi-plus minus 1000 but more than 900 ama-South Africans abasiphi i-database abasibonise ukuthi ama-South Africans adominateayo la then sizojabula ngoba siyakwazi lokho akuyiqiniso ugovernment wethu akakwazi ukuyithatha accountability uhlezi abaleka nje so sesisijwayele.
Ubungadlulisa muphi mhlawumbe umyalezo mhlawumbe kubantu-ke abaseNingizimu Afrika ngoba kanjena mhlawumbe ungagqugqumezela uthini bona ngoba kubonakala ngathi nje bayihlalela abanye bagcina ngokukhuluma noma ngokusupport online ey'thupheni mhlawumbe kodwa mase kuthiwa mhlawumbe bakuziwe ey'ndaweni ey'kanje ababili.
Ngifuna ukuthi nje ama-South African angazi noma ilizwe likaboni ukuthi liyahamba yabo lokho kwenzeke la last week kokuqala ukubonisa ukuthi sebalithatha ilizwe and asikwazi ukuvuma sukumani mzansi asihlanganeni sibuke nama-politics athatheni siwabeke esayidini silwele ilizwe lethu silibuyise ezandleni zethu then sizokubona kwepolitiki but sicela niphumele mzansi masibiza sithi kunama-matshi sithi siyahamba siye ey'ndaweni namhlanje la sizele abantwana besingafuni ukumatsha kodwa nje sizele ngoba sifuna abantwana bethu bangene kulesi sikole so sifuna i-support siyayicela i-support asikwazi ukuthi abomama mina noJustin sasihamba phambili abobaba bayihlalele bala ama-WhatsApp activists not that abekho abobaba kulomzabalazo wethu bakhona kodwa ubuningi babo bahlele emakhaya ungobheka nje kwela abomama umzabalazo onjani uphushwa abomama bodwa abobaba bala so namhlanje sizela sothi hlangana Zulu asisukumele ayikho phela lento
nje okugcina njengoba kubheke even ngama-local government kuyonakala kakhulu mhlawumbe imikhankaso iqalile mhlawumbe ungadlulisa imiphumela.
Mina ngithi abantu abavote ngokwengqondo abangavoti ngokwesisu ngoba sike sibone esikhathini esiningi masikhankasa Operation Dudula isiyi-political party so abantu bazokwazi ukuyivotela base sikhankasa siyabona-ke abantu bajabuliswa ukwempuphunyana okuncane okwe-R100 nyana okuzokulasta nje ilanga elilodwa mara impilo yakho izostaka for 5 years so abantu mabacabange uma uyovota cabanga i-5 years awungacabangi ilanga eli-1 cabanga i-R100 udayise izwe ngenxa nje ye-R100 so abantu abavoti ngomcondo bangavoti ngesisu.
Siyabonga kakhulu
no asibonge King Zoso ndoda iStacy esicelayo thina siyiqembu MK sicela ubulungiswa phezu kwalengane zo-66 asisho-ke ukuthi khona bafika ngendlela e-wrong but lengane zinelungelo lokufunda eSouth Africa izwe lazo abazali abala eSouth Africa zinelungelo eliphelele zokungena kulesikole zifunde. Ngiyabonga.
So khawula-ke mhlawumbe ungachaza nje mfowethu ukuthi njengoba la nifikile nje la nizokweseka mhlawumbe chaza iqhawela kithi ngoqinile ya
njengoba sifikile la sizoseka abazali bale ingane ezingasitholile isikole sibona kubalekile ukuthi ingane thina siyiqembu lomkhonto wesizwe izingane azifunde eduze kwala ehlala khona ngoba one i-unemployment eSouth Africa iphezulu kakhulu so ingane mayifunda eduzane umzali kuyanciphisela umntwana. 2 lesikole siwu-quantum 3 sino-free school so kuyayilekelela kakhulu umzali ongasebenzi so siyacela uprincipal enze ubulungiswa phezu kwey'ngane zethu. Siyabonga.
So mkhawula kithi ubona ukuthi mhlawumbe i-right mhlawumbe indlela mhlawumbe okuphilwa ngayo nje mhlawumbe kusikhathi samanje uma ungabheka nje mhlawumbe
angeke sisho lutho indlela esiphila kuyona njengamanje ayikho right esithokozisi ngoba amathuba omsebenzi eSouth Africa wasekho upresident okhona wasithembisa amathuba omsebenzi a1 million kodwa akaza produce ngisho 200 so inhlupheko it's very very high especially in esikuyona point indawo enganakiwe igcwele isizwe esikhulu samaphara ugovernment akenzi lutho igcwele ama-foreigner undocument uhulumeni ka-ANC awenzi lutho siyacela ngoba umnyango orelevant ukuzoyibuka nasepoint ukuthi labantu abahleli khona banawo namaphepha abanazo nemvumo zoba se-South Africa.
So mkhawula mhlawumbe nje uma ungaluleka nje abantu mhlawumbe njengoba kuzovotwa local government mhlawumbe ungaluleka kubathini ngendaba zokuvota.
Ngifisa ukusho kubantu be-South Africa ukuthi njengamanje wonke lamaqembu akhona especially ANC isifike kwi-ceiling ayisakwazi ukuqhubeka isimndawonye. The only hope esinayo and the last hope u-MK Party bonke abantu abafuna ukubona i-turnaround yeTheku bonke abafuna ukubona i-turnaround yama-region abahlala kuwona ngiyaqinisekisa abavotela umkhonto wesizwe uzobanikeza ama-leaders ezocabela umuntu omnyama kuphela.
Siyabonga mkhawula.
Ngiyabonga.
Oh mhlawumbe
umuntu omnyama eshaya omunye umuntu omnyama ngale
basilwela ivoti lethu
ngayo le
sabavotela labantu bazofaka
hayi ubona
sobakhipha babonile babaleke bangena ngebhamu zabo
lingela kanjani iforeign lesibhamu esikoleni amaphoyisa ekugcineni athi ayasithola isibhamu umuntu bemkhavile yena bangena kanjani hayi bahlala ngathi la iyona lento iyona
wenzakaleni wena
bezofakeliwe la sisulela imfundo yey'ngane zethu
fihlitshe la
uyalazi udaba wezothi mina ngihamba ngicosha lamanje labashayana ngawo ngiyalapha hamba ngicosha ke lapho
This demo is getting out of hand. Hold on guys, hold on guys, hold on guys. Hold on guys, hold on guys, hold on guys. Hold on guys. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Bilbati lá.
Vamos suar.
Pois que passei MK, vamos do todo certo. Sasa kufundwa kusasa ningazilethi ingane kufundwa kusasa. Sasa ningazilethi ingane kufundwa kusasa.
Awukwazi ukuthi uyakhuluma nje
an invasion. This is an invasion now. Look at this. Look at this. Maphoyisa Ligani and Mbappe. What is this? Guys, are you being unfair? Look at this. Look at this. This is a security threat. This is a pandemic. No, guys, it's enough. It's enough. We must show the military action to everyone.
Are you joking, you know?
Is it fair ukuthi thina sangale South Africa kube ney'ngane ezingatholi isikole kuprofessors ama-illegal foreigners kube izona ngane ey'fundayo ugovernment uthini ubani ngathi ovotayo bona labo thisha abaholela wobani amazazane nama-rights bayathatha ama-rights la South Africa
Benza mama.
Bayona-ke mabehamba manje.
Oh, hayi kodwa.
Bayabaphekezela.
Yeah.
Sabangani, Hayi nani nibake niyithambisa nisithi kuyilungisa kanye njengamanye aba bantu
No bayesaba ngeke. Abantu bangamagwala ngeke bengena.
Abantu ayikilungisa. Baba khona bese
Umelani ngani ngomibone.
Yeah.
Usipha amanzi webrazi.